I'm Anne Tristine and I'm with Patrick.
Hello.
Ayan, Patrick the Lion. Today we're going to have lunch at Ballet Kapampangan here in Dolores, San Fernando. So it's an authentic Kapampangan cuisine buffet and check natin.
Kamusta? Welcome to Ballet Kapampangan. Pero kaya. So I'll start with this soup.
Sabaw ng sinigang. Mukha siyang okay kasi parang may nalusaw na gabi dun sa soup niya. And meron din pang konting kangkong. Siyempre, hindi tayo plastic, magre-rice tayo. Uy, paubos na yung rice kasi sobrang daming tao ngayon dito. Kasi pag lunchtime talaga ang daming nagpupunta. Konti lang yung rice ko pero makarami sa ulam, di ba? Marami lahat. So, this one is Silayin. Okay. Kasi pili ako sa onion and liver. So, ito pala yung laman ng sinigang. Kanina, soup lang yung kinuha natin and then ito yung laman. If you guys want more, syempre gusto ko ng gabi pa. Pero hindi na ako kuha ng meat kasi makakainin na niya ng meat. So, they have tito, they have mga kulay-kulay. Pinakbit nila looks good. Tapos they also have bistig na bulag. For everyone who don't know, the bulag is actually kalabaw and kapampangan. The bulag. They also have papaitan. And this is their best seller. One of their best sellers, Ilang Baka or Lengua in our language. Yan. And kare-kare. I'm going to try this out. This is one of their best sellers, if not the best. This is Arobong Balut. Pwede pa namang bumalik kasi as you know, it's buffet. Tapos pwede ka magpa-change plate anytime na you want to. So they have dito din and guro. Wow! Mustasa, ampalaya, and then second set. Of course, hindi mawawala yung sisig. And as you can see, naka-sizzling, ano pa siya, sizzling tray, diba? My favorite tocino, I think this is tocino ng bulag and this is pork tocino. So I'm going to get both para matikman ko pareho. Tapos, yay, ang saya! Meron din silang itlog na maalat. Ito. Okay. Sobrang hilig ko sa pakosal. Lalo na pag marami. Yan, itlog na maalat. And favorite ko to. Pagpukot ng Tagaytay, ito yung gusto-gustong kinakain, tawilis. Ayan, sa mga nagkikrave ng tawilis, meron dito sa Ballet Kapampangan. Yun. And, syempre nagpapaka-healthy tayo. Let's get also crispy kangkong. Ayan. I think this is inihaw na talong pang sausawan. Ako, I want to get one. Ayan. Sobrang sagana nila sa sausawan, no? If you notice, sobrang okay ng mga sausawan nila. Tayo mga Kapampangan, sobrang hilig natin sa sauce. And ako, sobrang natuwa ako. Parang kahit anong pritong isda or even lechon kawale, they actually have a carving station of lechon kawale. How can you resist this? It looks so crunchy. So, kuha tayo. And we're back. So, tapos na akong kumain and nagka-coffee na lang ako. Pampababa ng natin lahat-lahat ng kinain ko. And of course, I'm with Miss Nicole of Baleka, Pampangan.
Hi!
To have a short chat lang so we would know more about the restaurant. When did you open?
So, nag-open kami noong May 8, 2008. So, bali 10 years kami this year. Ayun.
So, ito ba yung original branch nyo talaga? Or...
Oo, ito lang yung branch namin.
So, dito na talaga nag-open noong
Yes.
2008. Okay. Could you tell us about your humble beginnings? Like, paano ba nag-start?
Before ito, meron na kaming business yung grandparents ko. It's called Pot and Snack. Nag-serve lang sila ng burger and fries.
Okay.
Kasi lang mag-asawa yung nag-serve and nag-cook. After ilang years, Baleka pa na siya.
So, and syempre 10 years na siya. Miss Nicole told me that their bestseller is actually their arobong balot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Miss Nicole, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng arobo, what is arobo?
Actually, parang adobo lang siya. Yung nagkawangkangan.
And it's medyo white yung sauce niya. It's not as dark as the regular adobo. So, try natin siya.
I like the yellow part.
The yellow part,
Yes.
yes. Okay. So, nakita ko rin kanina, no, sa line, ang dami-daming kumukuha nito. Arobong balot.
Yun talaga yung hinaharap nila parati. Arobong balot. Can I eat also?
Oo. Sobrang sarap niya, pati yung sabaw. And gusto ko siyang sinasabayan ng onion. Sobrang sarap. Ako, I don't really love eating balut. I'm not a fan. Pero, this one is good. It's an example. Aside from this, what are your other bestsellers?
Yung tempura kasi. Dami lang hinaharap.
Tempura, okay. And
What else? Lengua. Do you know
lengua. Okay, lengua is syempre tila ng baka. We
Yeah.
saw it kanina sa line. So yun yung mga bestsellers nila. Balut, tempura, and lengua.
Also, kare-kare.
Also kare-kare. What about you? What are your personal favorites?
Lagi kinuha yung arabang balot. Tempura. Lengua, kare-kare. Hito.
Oh,
Try dito.
kung ano yung nasa plato niya.
Actually, yung saka yung pako salad.
Personal favorites. And the pakao salad. Yeah, earlier she was eating pakao salad. I like it as well. Even their tocino. So yeah.
Yeah.
So Miss Nicole, please invite everyone to visit you here.
So, we are open every day. Monday to Sunday po. 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Yun lang.
Okay. So, para sa mga gusto lang makaalam ng rates nyo, of course, I'm sure we're going to get so many questions about the rates.
Oh yeah.
Please.
So yung weekdays, may rates niya. So lunch is $3.95 and then dinner is $2.95. And for weekdays, lunch and dinner $3.95. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Thank you, guys. Sarap.